Innovation has the power to change everything, to define how we live. It's what happens when the right people are brought together to the right place and are faced with the right problems. When ideas are combined in a way that makes something completely new and world-changing. Innovation is alchemy. It's science and magic. At the Center for Digital Media, we believe in magic, and our Master of Digital Media program is designed to help you redefine how we live today. We're here to be the best digital media program in the world, where forward-thinking people learn to be world changers, to be future makers. We understand that the tools constantly change, so we hone your skills to allow you to adapt to the latest technologies. We teach you the process, about setting an intention to begin something important. And then we iterate. We teach you to be critical and agile, to be a teammate and a leader. The CDM is a giant playground and laboratory designed for doers, curated for innovation. It's an intensive one-year experience, accredited by Vancouver's 4 premier post-secondary institutions. This professional graduate program was created by Vancouver's thriving digital community, providing students with valuable opportunities to collaborate on real-world problems and to formulate real-world solutions. Our curriculum is supported by a strong scholarship program designed to open doors for a new generation of digital media leaders, no matter what your background. If you're interested in changing the world, find out more at thecdm.ca.